Okay, this is James Possible again, aka DS Domination Dad, and this is going to be the second trade setup, trade 2, um, for this series, trading series called What Would You Do? And again, we're going over the UOP Metatrader 4 binary option signals, and we're looking at real-time, real-world examples, and primarily because the MBFX indicators that we're using simply do not present in historical data as they do in real-time data. So you might actually see signals in real time, whereas when you look through them historically, you don't see the trade signal at all. So I have found that this is really the only way to become familiar with the signals, these indicators, and I'm sharing my process of learning with you in hopes that it'll help you, uh, as it's helping me to become a more effective and more profitable trader. And again, at this point in the game, I have decided to stay committed completely to my demo account. I'm not trading any real dollars here. The goal is not to be a winner here in the demo mode. The goal is really to learn to come to understand the signals, these indicators that we have been given, that we're working with, as a part of the UOP option mastermind group in Facebook. So for those of you that are not a member, you can contact me, James Possible, on Facebook, or you can message me here on YouTube, either one, and I will definitely work with you to help you get connected to this, to what we're up to. Okay, moving on. Again, trade 2. This is the first. This is the trade 2 setup. Each chart is 5-minute period. I only deal with currency pairs in these in these videos. Stocks, gold, indices, whatever else you want to trade. As long as you can get it into Metatrader 4, all of this will be applicable to that as well. There are 3 indicators, and for those of you that have watched these videos, just know that I'm going to go through this in the first 3 or 4 videos just so everybody is on the same page, and then I'll probably sporadically cover these basic thoughts. The top indicators in the chart, you'll see 2 super signals, 2VB, MBFX snatcher. And now in this video, you're not going to see the countdown timer. I was using a more robust timer, and for the sake of the binary trades and the simplifying, I had not found a simple timer, and at this point, so there is no timer in this particular video. At the bottom, again, there's the stochastics oscillator. This particular, and the settings on that is 333. If you are looking for this, it's under your indicators, and under the indicators there's a folder called oscillators. You'll find stochastics oscillator. Now if you just go to indicators and select stochastic, it's not the same indicator. You want to go indicators, then open the oscillator folder, and then you'll find the same indicator. All right, that said, let's move forward. Okay, this is just a quick snapshot from a chart, a Metatrader 4 chart, to let you see that the indicators that are installed. And again, the countdown timer will not be in this particular video. Okay, and here we are. I would have liked to have caught this a little bit earlier, but nonetheless, this will be a fun experience. We'll see where you go with it. This is the Euro USD, so EUR USD, and it's a 5-minute chart. All these will be 5-minute charts, and I'm just going to roll the video of the real-time trade, and let's see where we go from there. Okay. Now again, keep in mind, and I apologize for any redundancy, but I mean, we're here to learn. I'm teaching myself as well, so I'm talking not just to you, but I'm talking to me. Uh, this current candle, the red candle that's moving up and down, we do not trade on that candle. And the reason why is because our indicator, our signal, is actively sitting on that candle. So this is the active signal right now, and we really don't know if it's going to go down or up or down. And so we're really looking for a confirmation candle, and that would be the candle that paints right in this area. Okay, until we have that confirmation candle, it's more of a guess than it would be once we have the confirmation. So our goal here is to become investors, not gamblers, and to understand our indicators, our tools, and to become effective at initiating or taking trades based on the signals that we've come to know and learn. So I'll be quiet and let's watch this unfold. I'm not sure how long. I don't think this is a really long setup, so just let me let you watch. Now you see the candle has gone from a red candle moving down to a green candle moving up. So again, this is not the candle to make your decision on. Looks like we're getting ready to get our confirmation candle, and there we are. We have the beginning of a confirmation. It's in red, and I'm going to leave the setup at this point. And you know the question: what would you do, and why would you do it? The most important thing is why. Not just that you would do it, but why. I mean, what is it you're looking at on this chart, at these indicators, that's saying to you, yeah, I think this is a valid trade. This is going to be a profitable trade or a high percentage trade. And share in the UOP group, share your comments, your thoughts here on YouTube. Do the same thing, and let's see where we go from there. The outcome on this will only be shared with those that are who are members of the UOP Options Mastermind and who are subscribed to my mailing list. And again, you can contact me on YouTube or Facebook, James Possible, and I can definitely get you set up where you can see the outcomes on this, because just seeing the setup's not enough. The outcomes, trust me, will be very deceiving at times, and that's the goal, is the outcome. The outcome is the whole why it's not the most effective trade, or why this is an extremely effective trade, a high percentage trade. So together we can learn to be effective and profitable traders, I hope. I mean, there's more than enough money out there. So again, this is James Possible, aka DS Domination Dad. Talk to you soon.